One of the best ways to take care of your Kia and simplify routine maintenance is with a Kia maintenance plan. A Kia maintenance plan, or KMP, is a prepaid maintenance program backed by Kia that locks in service pricing and helps you keep your Kia in optimal condition. KMPs are based on Kia's factory-recommended maintenance services and can be redeemed at any Kia dealership. Plans are available in 1 to 6 year increments, and that includes 2 services per year. In addition, KMP Select services are available to add on to Kia maintenance plan coverage or to cover certain cars that are already in service. All services are performed by Kia factory-trained technicians using genuine Kia parts, and all KMP plans feature full synthetic oil. A Kia maintenance plan may also make your Kia more desirable if you decide to sell your Kia vehicle, as your KMP plan is transferable with the vehicle. Talk to your Kia dealer today to learn more about a Kia maintenance plan.